Confidential. Okay, it's here, my 28-day California Sugar Cleanse Reboot Your Life program. It's a book now available on Amazon in Kindle and in paperback, an 8x10 colored paperback book. I think you're gonna love it. Annie Parker Confidential, it's all about living a wonderful, happy, healthy life. So in the Sugar Cleanse book, here's what you're going to get. You're going to get 5 things. You're going to get 53 amazing, healthy, no sugar recipes for breakfast ideas, smoothies, lunch, dinner, snacks, and of course a few desserts in there also. You're going to get 5 smart ways to help eliminate those sugar cravings. You're also going to get information on how to read the back of labels to identify sugar, a pantry list of key staples that every sugar-free person should have, and you're going to get access to a private Facebook group only for Sugar Cleanse members. And that's a place where as women, we can all congregate, we can ask questions, we can share success stories, and we can upload images of recipes that we've tried. And it's just a good all-around place to be. All right, here's what to expect. You can expect to feel more energetic, vibrant, happier moods. You can expect to lose weight, to reduce inflammation and bloatiness associated with a high sugar diet, and you can expect a greater improved skin texture. Why? Because a high sugar diet accelerates the aging process, and you can learn all about that in the book. Okay, so who's ready to join me on the 28-day Sugar Cleanse? You are never too old, and it is never too late to start living your most amazing life. The link for the book is below the video. Click on it, check it out, come join me. And for all things health, wellness, and healthy living, join me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.